back at it. Today I am chasing some big fish, some suckers. A couple days ago I came here to this spot looking for some trout, and turns out I hooked up to a sucker. It was false hooked, you know, it was snagged on accident. I released him. Here's a clip of that. What the heck is this thing, dude? But I'm back with the slip rig setup, and I am going to be nymphing super deep. Probably going to use an artificial wax worm with some scent to attract those big suckers. I'm going to see if this ultralight can hold up to it and really test out my gear. So let's get on the water. Sorry for the wind noise, guys. Again, not much I could do. It's a super windy day, but there it is. That's where I'm gonna be running the slip flow through, and man, hopefully we pick up some of them big. My setup today is pretty darn simple. I basically got my slip rig here set up, and the way I got it set up, I'll start from the hook up. Got me a little tiny hook. All this gear was bought at Walmart. Got me a 4-pound fluorocarbon leader, and it's probably about 3 foot long, to a barrel swivel. Next we got our float, next we got our bead, and then we got our float stop. And I don't know where to set my float stop yet. I'm gonna give it a few casts in there and figure out where they're at, figure out how deep it is. Also, I forgot, I still need to add a little split shot to this because I need my jig to flow all the way down to the bottom, or as close as possible to the bottom. All right, so I lied a little bit. I am actually using live bait here. I brought some wax worms with me just in case, so I'm gonna try them first. I have jigs that I wanted to try, but I just think these suckers are gonna be more tuned into these live bait presentations, so we'll try that first. Oh, that looks good right there. Look at that. Let's get it in there. There we go. Solid. Okay. And the drift. Hopefully you guys can see that drifting. Okay. Okay. We touched the bobber stop. Now we're just gonna let it coast through there. Ooh. Is that a bite? It's stopping. Got one. That was a bite. Oh yes, we got one. On the slip float. Ooh, he's a good fighter there. I wonder what it is. I think it's gonna be one of them suckers I'm after. Man, that was such a cool take. Ever so slightly just pulled it under. All right, let's get him in the net. Ooh, another tank right on the corner of the mouth. There he is. Look at that mouth. Let's go get some more, man. That was a blast. Oh, you know what? I didn't cinch down that bobber stop. It's moving. That sucker's moving. Let's try that. Let's try to cinch her down right there. I forgot to cinch it down when I found the depth. I won't be doing that. Oh, it'll slide all the way up. Okay. Hopefully it's at the right depth again. Yeah, I could probably find it though. Oh. Fits down. Cover down. Fish. Oh, yes. Yes, that was sick. That was such a sick bobber down. Nice. Another good one. Oh, come on, baby. Don't do that to me. Don't try to break my rig off. Oh man, that thing's big. Holy cow. Oh yeah. Oh yes, look at that thing. Such a good fighter. Come on, buddy, you're caught. Just come to the net. Right in the corner of the mouth again. In the net. Oh, whoa, what a beast. You see it right on the corner. Oh, all right, let's get it back. Right, so I'm thinking I got the depth pretty darn good. So I'm gonna keep fishing just like this. Just throwing it in there. Letting it drift down. Usually getting hit right there. Oh my gosh, there's one on there. What? It wasn't even moving. Holy cow. Oh, it's a good one. It's a good one. Dude, all these fish are solid. Oh man, that's pretty tight too. Oh my gosh. This might be the biggest one all day, guys. He is just digging down, not letting up. See if I can turn him. Got a little bit, got a little bit. Oh, he ran again. Come on, baby. Solid. He's just about as big as the other ones, I think. But he's just fighting so hard. He's a fighter. He might, oh, he's bigger. Oh, he's bigger. Corner of the mouth again. Oh, you gotta love those hook sets. Look at that thing. Corner of the mouth. Ooh, perfect. Look at that. Get him back. Like I said, man, gotta fish what's close to you when you have time, no matter the species. Fishing, if you really truly love fishing like I do, man, it doesn't matter what you're after. Whatever tugs on the rod is okay. That's good. That's good. Oh, 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 oh. Fish. Oh, yes. That was sweet. It just kind of flipped upside down. That was a weird one, but fish on. Another pretty darn, this one's dark. Holy cow. This one's a dark guy. Look at that thing, dude. Wow. Oh, there we go. There we go. Sick. Doesn't get old. That does not get old. Whoa, look at that thing. That thing's heavy, dude. That thing's freaking absolutely heavy. Oh, come on. Jig out. That thing. It's actually kind of cool colors. Oh, okay, go, go. Jeez. You know, I didn't flip it back upstream to let the jig fall. That might have been what I did right last time. So kind of flick it up. Oh, that thing just pulled it out of the current. Oh well, let's see. Let's see if there's anything in this current. Perfect drift. Hesitation. It's pulling. Fish. Fish. It just stopped. Holy crap. This is insane. These fish are just absolutely stacked up over here. Peeling that drag. Oh. Ah, come on, baby. I'm gonna kind of horse him in. Oh, there's no horse in this thing in with this ultralight. Show yourself, boy. I want to be a 30-inch cutthroat. Jeez, how would that be? That's what I originally fished this spot for, trying to look for some big trout, but man, these are just as fun, dude. Fish is a fish. Gives me some good practice. If I do hook a big old trout with this setup, my knots are good. Oh man, that's a tank, dude. That thing's probably the biggest one, I think, so far. Look at that thing. Come on. Oh my gosh. That thing's a brute. Oh yeah, that's the biggest one. Freaking tank of a sucker. Wow. Just let him go. Sweet. What a blast, man. These suckers are pulling so hard on this ultralight. I'm having an absolute blast catching them. All right, guys, so I'm gonna try this little tiny ice fly I found in my box. It's just like that little jig head, but it's just a little bit smaller, but it's also heavier at the same time, so I feel like it's gonna drift a little bit better for me. That last jig head was a little bit too light, I feel like. So got this nice little purple one on. Let me clip that little tag end. Let's go see what that does. There's something. There's something. Sweet. Oh heck yes. It just slightly went underwater, just real slow. Oh man, pulling good. That's a nice one too. They're all like the same size, I've noticed, maybe a little bit bigger. Oh my gosh, under. Oh, that was nice. Heck yes. Freaking dragonfish, look at that. Look at that hook. So fun. You can catch me out here way more often now. There we go. There we go. Oh, he let go of it, I think. It just went under. I just move it a little bit, maybe go entice. Oh, it did. It enticed it to come back. Oh, how sick. I just move it a little bit, maybe go entice. Oh, that was freaking perfect. Perfect way to end this trip right there. Oh man, this one's a tang too. Oh my gosh, that thing's big. Another beast. right in the corner. Heck yes. Oh, these fish fight so hard. It's hard not to just keep fishing for them all day. But I think, there he goes. I think this is gonna wrap it up. Caught freaking so much fish. You guys enjoyed that? Please sub and like the video, and I'll be making more. I plan on doing a lot of fishing this year, and gonna be in the high mountains too, so a lot of good content to come. But anyways, thank you for watching.